We are, however, very pleased to announce the earlier lifting of load shedding than anticipated. So from tomorrow morning, 5 o'clock, no more load shedding.
Iindaba ezimnandi kubemi boMzantsi Afrika zokumiswa kwenkqubo yocimicimi wombane ukuqala ngentsimbi yesihlanu ngentseni yangomso. Oku kubhengezwe ngumlawuli oyintloko kwaEskom umnumzana Andre De Ruyter namhlanje. uDe Ruyter uthi ukuphucuka kwamandla okuphehlwa kombane kuvumele ukucutha kukacimicimi wombane ukusuka kwisigaba sesithathu kuya kwesesibini.
We are going to be releasing a unit at Drakensberg. Unit 3 is going to go out on scheduled maintenance. Again, the signal is that we don't compromise on scheduled maintenance. We want to ensure that we look after our assets as best we can. And this outage will last for about 100 days. That's the current schedule. And that will reduce the potential output from Drakensberg by 333 megawatts. Now, this good recovery in the system has enabled us to reduce load shedding to stage 2 from stage 3 currently. We are going to go down to stage 2 at 12 o'clock today. And we will maintain stage 2 until 5 o'clock tomorrow morning, Friday.
Uthi angathintelwa lo cimicimi wombane kuthengi bangasebenzisana neEskom banciphise ukusetyenziswa kombane ngokuthi bacime izibane ezingadingekiyo negiza ingakumbi ngexesha langokuhlwa.
If all households were to switch off just one unnecessary light, that will save about 835 megawatts. So that's a huge number. That is more than one unit at a big power station like Medupi, saved by just switching off every household one unnecessary light.
Le nkampani iphehla umbane kweli ithi kufuneka intsebenziswano yawo wonke ubani ukuze kunciphiswe ulwamvila lwalo cimicimi wombane. Kwiindaba ze-SABC ndinguNobathembu Zantsi.